Hi guys, welcome back. Happy Dropmas. Today is Dropmas number 4. So if you are new here to this channel, stay until the end of the video because I'm gonna start by doing the unboxing of the day, which is like the number 4, and then I will explain what it is, what's the Dropmas, why I'm doing this, who I am, and everything. So stay tuned until the end. So let's go for this unboxing. So we have a Céline pouch. I'm gonna put like the box just here. We have a beautiful Céline Triomphe pouch. I'm so excited because this is amazing. This little pouch is just insane. This is a vintage one, dark brown Triomphe canva, I would say. We have a very dark brown logo leather here. On the other part, we have like more like beige brown leather on every outside part. This is beautiful. Like, I have to say, this is just amazing. This will be available for buying. I will link the description. Stay until the end of the video because I have so much to tell you. I have so much to explain to you why I'm doing this, what is it, like what is Dropmas, who I am and everything. I will explain you just in a few minutes. So under the pouch, we have some spots like that are like a bit darker on the corners. Obviously, it was used. It's a second hand. It's a pre-loved one. We have like here a leather part which is in very good condition. Zipper and hardware starts to tarnish a little bit, of course. I'm sorry if you can hear some noise from the outside. There is like some works in the street. This is so annoying, but I have to film. I have to film. If not, I'm gonna be like super late in my videos. So the zipper works amazingly well. The canva is gorgeous. I have nothing to say. We have the first pocket here. Inside is never, no stain, very good condition. And on the other pouch, like the zipper pouch, also is full leather inside. Very, very, very good condition. We had the Céline stamp here, Céline Paris, made in Italy. We have the serial number, I would say. And the price, I know you were waiting for the price for this one. It's a €200 price for this one. I will add also on the screen the USD and the UK price, of course, guys. But yeah, mostly this is it for this one. And so, if you're new here to my YouTube channel, welcome first. My name is Margot alias margavalux. I am French. I do YouTube videos since like mostly for 3 years now on my French YouTube channel. I'm here on the English one for a year now, and I do YouTube videos about luxury handbags because I love them. I have to say, this is my passion. This is a very expensive passion, but you know, if you're here, you love also this kind of items. So why don't you subscribe? So yeah, so I do videos every Wednesday and every Sunday. Every Wednesday is a backdrop day because I also launched my own business with my partner. So it's called bamluxurystore.com, where we sell pre-loved luxury handbags and accessories online. We ship worldwide. And yeah, it's been like a year and a half now. This has been just insane. This has been incredible. You are more and more. We ship like everywhere, like USA, Canada, France, Belgium, Denmark, Germany, everywhere, Dubai. Like, this has been just insane, an incredible adventure. So thank you so much first. And why do I do like Dropmas? Simply because if you like YouTube, you know that people are doing vlogmas usually. So it's vlogs during Christmas. You vlog every single day, and it would have been very complicated for me to do it like every single day. So I decided to do like Dropmas, and so I'm gonna do like my normal drop on Wednesday, like where we release new items every Wednesday. But you will have from the 1st of December till the 24th of December another drop of one item per day. So you're going to see me every single day, sorry, but it is. So I will be dropping like one item per day, and I hope you will enjoy it. Of course, you're gonna have like the normal drop on Wednesday between like 6 and 10 items, but I hope you will enjoy, of course. And it's gonna be a bit different because the hours usually are different, but for the drop only, the hours will be like, first you're gonna have at 6 p.m. the YouTube video. Usually it's first the email, but this time it's gonna be first the YouTube video. So you are going to be the first to know and to buy. And then at 6:15 p.m., I think I'm gonna release the email like to thousands of people. So you're gonna be like the first and priority to buy it. So if you want to be aware, I really advise you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course. If you prefer French YouTube channel, I also have my French YouTube channel. But yeah, this is how it's gonna work. So I'm pretty excited because it looks like it's going to be amazing. People, you are more and more to follow me here. So welcome for the new ones. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to like the video, and also you can subscribe to our Instagram and my own, of course. I will add everything here. Otherwise, I wanted to let you know about the story of the Triomphe canvas. I don't know if you know the story, but it's quite funny. We are going to Paris in 1972 with Céline Vipiani, which was the founder of Céline back then. And we are going next to the Arc de Triomphe. It's called like Place de Paris, which is a very huge and scary roundabout. It's the most insane roundabout of history. So it's funny that it takes place there. So Céline Vipiani had a car trouble, so she just had to stop her car there. And you know, around the Arc de Triomphe, which is like very huge art thing in Paris, like this is a very huge monument, very famous. You have around the Arc de Triomphe like chains, and Céline Vipiani was inspired by those chains to create the double C and the logo of Céline. So this is actually quite funny. It took place in Paris, so it's like very, you know, Paris French version. But it was funny that it was there actually, and because of a car accident, problem. So it was actually kind of funny, the story, and I was very. I wanted to give you like the small story because I think not too many people know about this story. I don't know if you knew, like let me know in the comments if you knew this story or not, but I don't think it's a very famous story. So I thought it was very nice to tell you about it. So yeah, this one is available right now on the website. It's a 200 euro one, and I'll see you for another Dropmas tomorrow. Bisous, bye, ciao, ciao.